Hi, today for the XIAOMI 13 Pro and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see the notifications section. Tap on it. Now you can use the notifications, the online ones, but to use them be sure that you are connected to the internet, to mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. Also, if you want to use the default sounds, you should switch ringtones to profile, tap to ringtones and select one from these available sounds. Click to apply, select this ringtone, OK. Now it's applied successfully, so let's go back to the settings and we can see that we just successfully changed notification sound on our XIAOMI device. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.